And good afternoon everyone. So in my previous video I taught you how we can find the time and longitude, and I gave some important points to remember also. So in this video we'll learn how to solve the questions. So here are some examples. I'll solve one example from here. Example number 1, and the question is, calculate the time at Greenwich 0 degree when it is 12 noon at Allahabad 82 degree 30-minute east, the IST. So what is the longitude of Greenwich? All of you know 0 degree, and the longitude of Allahabad is 82 degree 30 minutes east. So we are asked to calculate the time of Greenwich. Okay, if it is 12 noon at Allahabad, what is the time at Greenwich at the same time? So it is solved here, but I'll not show this one. Okay, I'll solve in a shortcut way. See here. Longitudinal difference between two places. First we have to find the difference between these two longitude. Okay, so longitude of Allahabad is 82 degree 30 minutes east, and longitude of Greenwich is 0 degree. So longitudinal difference between two places equals to 82 degree 30 minutes minus 0 degree. The difference will be same. Okay, now 1 degree longitude equals to 4 minutes. Every one of you know this. Let's convert this degree first into minutes. So 82 degree equals to 82 into 4 equals to 328 minutes. Now again this 30 minutes, let's convert it. Again 1 minute equals to 4 seconds, 30 minutes equals to 30 into 4, 120 seconds. We got 2 minutes. When we convert this 120 seconds into minutes, we get 2 minutes. Now what we have to do? Let's find the sum of this both the minutes. So the total difference of time equals to 328 plus 2 minutes equals to 330 minutes. And when we convert these 330 minutes into hours, we get 5 hours 30 minutes. This is the IST of India. So as we are asked to find the time of Greenwich, okay, so what we have to do? As Greenwich is in the west of Allahabad, let me show you here. Allahabad, our India is in the western longitude. Suppose our India is here, okay, in the eastern longitude, and Greenwich is here. So when we find the time of Greenwich, we have to come back to western side, is it? We are in the east longitude, but we are coming back to western sides. So when we come back to the western sides, the time gets subtracted. Okay, so as Greenwich is in the west of Allahabad, 5 hours and 30 minutes should be subtracted from the time of Allahabad, and this is the formula. Western side, lower, subtract. So what is the time at Allahabad? 12 PM means 12 hours. 12 hours minus this 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so when we subtract it, we get 6 hours 30 minutes. So the time is 6:30 AM. Why we are subtracting here? Because Greenwich lies in the western side of Allahabad. That's why we are subtracting. Okay, if we would have been asked to find the time of Allahabad instead of Greenwich, then we could have added the time. But the time of Allahabad is given, and we are asked to find the time of Greenwich, so we are coming back to the western side. That's why the time gets subtracted. Okay, so when we subtract 5 hours 30 minutes from 12 hours, we get 6 hours 30 minutes, 6:30 AM. Why we are subtracting 12 from 12 hours? Because see in the question, the time of Allahabad is 12 noon. Okay, that's why we have to subtract 5 hours 30 minutes from 12 hours. So I think you got this. I will click the picture of this question and solution, and I'll send it. Okay, thank you.